Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I'm really excited to share with you a new digital kit collection by Carrie Ann, who is Shabby Art Boutique. And I'll link down below all of her links down, for you, her website as well as her Etsy store. So you can see all of her gorgeous digital collection range at her Etsy store. And they are instant downloadable printables and just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous prints. And these are the new digitals, and it's called Vintage Love. I did print as much of it as I can. There are still some digitals that I didn't get to print out, but if you head over to her Etsy store, you can see the whole range there, and it's available now. But I just had to share with you the printables. I mean, just beautiful, very shabby, very pink, and lots of florals. And this collection is also a perfect one for a Valentine's. It has a Valentine's theme as well, so you could use that in your projects. So let me just share with you some of the ones that I printed out just to give you an idea of what's in the Vintage Love collection. So these ones are the background prints, and you can print these on an A4 size or a letter paper size as well. And so this is one of them. It is just stunning. I love the prints, and I cannot wait to create some fun projects. And as the new year approaches, I want to make a couple of journals for myself, and I may even make some journals for my Etsy shop as well. If you would like to maybe perhaps purchase one of my journals, that I may hopefully put some together for you. So these are some more. Now these ones are the cut aparts, and so these ones are some of the tags. There are 8 on a sheet for this one, and there are also some larger tags and smaller size as well. But have a look at the fine details. It's just so pretty. Love these. Carrie Ann's work is just amazing. Just love everything that she designs for her kits. Look at these, aren't these just so romantic? It has that romantic feel. Beautiful roses. So this would be perfect for a Valentine's theme. There's some bows and some vintage style cameras there. And then we've got some more fussy cut images with some vintage style photos. Love hearts. And you can print these as many times as you like for your projects. And I did print these cut aparts on an A4 like a cardstock paper. This one here is a 210 GSM. I purchased this from my local stationery store, and I just wanted a little bit more of a sturdier medium weight paper for my fussy cut images, so easy to put in my projects. And some of the background papers, I also printed them on cardstock paper as well as just your standard photocopying paper. And Carrie Ann has information on her website for your printables on how you can print them to get good color coming out through your printer as well, and what papers that would be best to use. And I just use a standard Canon printer for my images to print for my printables. So this one here is a nice large envelope size with some nice detail on that. And there are 2 of the large envelopes in the kit, so this is the other one. So I get 2 of those as well. And then there are some cute little mini file folders, and I love mini file folders. I think they're just so cute to work with. So you get these 4 on a sheet. And then there is also a larger size one for you. So this is the larger size. And they're really easy to cut out as well. So there is also another one. I think I did print another file folder. This is the other one. So this is the 2 larger size, and then this is the smaller size. So you've got 2 sizes to work with. Great for your journals or to send as happy mail. And then there are some lovely vintage style photos on a Polaroid background. And I think there are a few more in the kit. I just printed one. There's also some background Polaroid style photo type background that you can use. So these are just some of the printables that are available in her kit called Vintage Love, and I just wanted to share it with you because I'm just so excited to work with these, and I didn't want to start cutting these out and making my project without sharing it with you first. And there is just, everything is pretty much ready for you to make a complete journal, or if you do card making or you want to make some tags. This is a pocket, and you just cut it out, and then you got the little flaps here where you just fold them over to create your little tuck pocket. I love these vintage cameras. So, and there are plenty of tags. There is another slim envelope style in there as well. So there are a heap more that I just didn't get to share with you. So please head over to Kerry Ann's Etsy store and have a look at her new collection, as well as all of her other range of digital kits that are available now. And you can also head over to her Facebook page if you would like to join in her Facebook group, and you get a lot of inspiration of photos of other crafters that have used her kit in there to get some inspiration and ideas. So I just want to share with you these lovely kits, and I will be back with a couple of projects to show you what I've created, and I will see you all soon. Bye for now.